Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to enhance your snaps for optimal quality. If you want to make your photos and videos stand out, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be in the camera section. Look for the plus icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to access additional camera features. Step 3. After tapping on the plus icon, a menu of options will appear. Look for the tone feature and tap on it. Now, slide the tone adjustment to a suitable degree that enhances the lighting and exposure of your snaps. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance the quality of your snaps in Snapchat, ensuring optimal lighting and visual appeal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.